National representative Nisha Ann Wasom produced a player of the game performance to lead Westmoreland to a 41-run win over Portland in the JCA women's T20 cricket competition at the Paradise Oval on Saturday. Wasom first made 25 not out in Westmoreland's score of 82 for 4 after the game was reduced to 12 overs per team. She got support from Tamika Stanford, who made 21 not out. Wasom then returned to claim 4 wickets for just 3 runs, as Portland were restricted to 41 for 6 in their run chase. With the win, Westmoreland also booked their place in the semi-final.
Today we had a game plan. The first thing was to win the toss and put them into bat because the pitch was a bit nice, but nevertheless we didn't win the toss, so we could go out and bat and made some runs. We had a score in mind. Once we make over 50, we can defend it. And we made 82 and we come and we defend it because we know how Portland play. Portland is my second team. I used to play for them, so I basically know most of the players. I know how they play.
I mean, we have another game in this round, so I guess next week we'll just go out there, put out our best effort, hope we have a stronger team because some of our senior players are missing in action. I hope they come out next week and let us capitalize on that game next week.
Now, 5 teams are taking part in the tournament with the final set for January 11.